All right, special shout out to the folks over at Tudia for sending over their case lineup, the merge series for the Pixel 5a 5G. Now, I actually did an Amazon live stream earlier this same day of the recording of this video, which is Wednesday. So what we're going to do is, these are all the same cases. I want to show you the colors and everything. We'll put one of them on and get the fit and finish. All of these will be available. The links will be down in the description of the video. So be sure to check that out. And again, cases under 20 bucks for the Pixel 5a 5G. It should be easy. And on that Amazon live stream, if you're not following me on Amazon live stream, follow me on Twitter, and you can see the link there. You can click on it and follow me there. I'll be streaming more on Amazon to help promote these products a little bit better, so I can focus on these products individually at times. But you can also find the link on my community tab of the YouTube channel here. Click on that link, hit follow me for the Amazon live feeds that I'll be doing more of. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open the green one first. Why not? So the Tudia case lineup is by far, like I said on that live stream on Amazon earlier today, this is by far one of the best feeling cases you will find on any device lineup to date. It is a rugged style, sturdy style case, and this is their new color, along with this deep blue color here, this royal blue looking color. But this is definitely a nice fit and finish for this almost black Pixel 5a 5G. So the Tudia lineup is by far one of the best feeling rugged style cases that you can possibly get. If you've ever felt a what is the brand I spoke over, Spigen, you felt this style of case. This feels exactly like the Spigen lineup, which is a compliment to both companies. So you got a cutout here for the fingerprint reader. You got the nice cutout here, and you see that black shiny area around there. That's to help with flash. The camera will be even or a little bit recessed. You got a mic and headphone cutout right there. Ridges along this side to help with grip in your hand. And then you have the power button and volume rocker with that kind of see-through hollow type feel on it. And you've got all your ports down here on the bottom, charge and sync microphone and speaker out. And then you've got that also famous air technology for impact. This is actually a little ridged area, and you've got these pockets in the corners there for air. So when you do drop the device, it will fall in the corner and absorb the impact. The fingerprint reader is easy to access. Let me turn off the sound here. The fingerprint reader is easy to access on here. It looks like it might be a little snug, but trust me, folks, it's not, because it has like a sloping design down there. You can get right in there. It works every time. There's not a time that it doesn't work. So on the front here, you've got lip protection on the front of the case right here, going all the way around. So if you don't want to put a screen protector on there and you lay it down flat, it is good to go. So this is the green color. Now let's pop on this beautiful new color that they brought in, which is a blue. This is their latest color here, along with that green. And we're just going to try this on here. This is such a beautiful, this color is absolutely beautiful in person, folks. I kid you not. This is a beautiful color. Everything's going to be the same here. Nice tactile feedback on the buttons here. No issues whatsoever. You can see all the ports and everything are cut out flawlessly, obviously. And that is just how it's going to be. So we've tried on the blue. We've tried on the green. Let's try on the black. There's a color here for everyone. I mean, there is a color for everyone. This is probably going to be like the most popular color, because black goes with everything. You can mix black with anything and it'll just fit right in. It's perfect. Look at that. That's beautiful. This might even be the one that I use, actually. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and rock out with this black one for now. This case feels so good, folks. If it had wireless charging, it will work with this case because it is a plastic case. It is a two-piece, but they don't advertise it as a two-piece, I think, but it is a two-piece, and it is just absolutely beautiful to the touch. It's the soft touch is just so nice here. I really love it. So let's go ahead and move on to another color here. And I'm going to put that one aside because I'm going to be rocking out with that black one. This one's for the ladies here. This is the rose gold, I believe, here. Let me see. Yep, rose gold. This is beautiful. Ladies, there you go. Let's put this on. See here. So this is what it looks like in this color right here. There it is. So you can see, same deal, same case, just a different color. Looks really good, right? I love that little pop. So I think, fellas, you could rock with that too. Yeah, that might be okay for the fellas too. So let's go ahead and try on this very bright blue here. It's like a powder blue. Very bright. Very, very bright. Oh, wow. You lose your phone or misplace it, you'll be able to see it with this case right here. that is for sure. You will see it with this case. Wow. Let's put that aside right there. And last but not least, a very neutral color, which is the silver. They call it metallic slate, but it is in fact just silver to me. This is another good neutral color. Looks really great. Looks fantastic. So I'm gonna line up these colors here for you folks. This is beautiful here. I'm really excited to have Tudia support me the way they do. It's a good thing. It is a good thing to have support from a company who actually cares. Here's all the colors that I just went over, folks. This is absolutely beautiful. Pixel Bud Ace, make sure you grab those. This is beautiful case lineup right here, man. These are all the colors here, and I really like how this fit and finish is on the Pixel 5a 5G. There is something here for everybody. The green is nice, the black is nice, the blue is nice, the silver is nice. All of these are nice. There's a color for everyone. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. The links to these will be down in the description, so be sure to check them out, and I will see you in the next video. Remember to follow me on Amazon Live. I'll try to put a link down below to this video as well, so you can click on that and go follow me over there, because I'm going to be going strong on Amazon coming up here pretty soon with live streams for products. So I think it'll be really cool to talk to you guys over there. They have a chat system for their Amazon Live, and it's just products you can buy real time right there with me as we talk about them. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.